said I'd record a video for people about the fort because I keep forgetting to bring my phone. You can kind of see it over the top there. Anyways, you walk through here, and then the fort. Pretty dome-ish shaped here. Turn around, pretty open because we've all cut down a bunch of branches to shove in the inside. You got a duck. Like, let me it's up to my shoulder. Then you got the dome. Currently adding more walls. I'm gonna make this one the doorway. I'm gonna make this a wall. There's a camera stand back there. My friend is currently cutting down wood to go add more greenery. You can hang from it, even though half of these are dry rotted. Everything is tied together through like supports. A couple X shapes. Forgot to mention a little area in here. There was a little area in here before, but then this like little wall got removed. This wall needs to be worked on. Yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, and I'll probably record another segment if I see the cat climbing above it, because she likes to climb it.